Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so we're looking at 58. 58 and 59 are clapping, counting, and then add the playing in. 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. And here's part B. In 59, part A. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4. In 59, part A. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. This old man fell down. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.